In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an application form to Squarespace. First, open your Squarespace site and go to the page where you want the application form to live. Enter Edit Mode, then hover over the section where you'd like the form and select Add Block. From the block picker, choose Form. This drops a basic form onto your page that we'll customize together. Start by giving your form a clear name so you can recognize it later in your site admin. Click the form title and type something descriptive, like Application Form. Next, update the button text so it matches your purpose. Click the button label and change it to something like Submit Application. Clear labels help increase completion rates. Now let's shape the fields. Click Edit Form Fields to open the field editor. Select the name field and turn on the options to require first name and require last name. Requiring both ensures you collect complete applicant details. When that's set, go back to the fields list. Select the email field and mark it as required. This guarantees you have a way to contact applicants. Go back, then select the subject field. Adjust the label or requirements based on your needs. Many application forms leave this optional or rename it for clarity. Return to the list. Next, open the message field. Switch it to a larger text area, if it isn't already, and add a helpful placeholder so applicants know what to include. For example, a brief prompt describing what you're looking for. Placeholders guide better responses and save you time later. When you're done, head back to the fields list. If you need an additional field, click Add Field and choose the type that fits. For instance, another name field if you're collecting a separate reference name, or any other standard field your process requires. Keep labels concise and turn on Required only where truly necessary to avoid form fatigue. When finished, back out to the main form settings. Open the Design tab and choose a form style that matches your site's look. While you're there, adjust the button alignment so it feels balanced within your layout. Small design tweaks make the form feel native to your page. Next, go to Storage to decide where submissions should go. You can route entries to email, connect a spreadsheet or a CRM, or use built-in storage options depending on your plan and workflow. Confirm everything looks right in the preview. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your application form is now live and ready to collect responses.